All right, let's tear some stuff up. Well, I did it again. As I was finishing up what I took off for the outriggers right here, I got really mad at this piece of wood that was rotten right here, and I just started tearing things apart. But this had been on my list of things to do for a while, and it was just torn to shreds, and there you go, completely rotten out. So I'm gonna go just cut this out, get to at least where it's good. And just a little bit of rot there. I mean, up here is pretty solid, but this was really bad. So I think I'm just gonna go get another piece of plywood and refinish this down and finally fix this rot once and for all, because that was really pissing me off. And I can go ahead and recaulk everything, make it all really pretty, and repaint everything. So I just got a little carried away, and now we're committed. Okay, so a little update on the Silverton dreaded triangle project. It looks like someone already tried to fix this the very incorrect way. So I pulled out this piece of interior trim, wood trim, wood. It's really thin, so you know, great. Okay, so got that out. It looks like what somebody did was there was some rot down here, and they didn't want to fix it the right way and cut into this wood, so they just threw some crap over it. And this was all, like, there was no thick wood here at all. This was all gone. So gonna do this the right way. It's new plywood, marine grade, seal it, everything. Gonna put big paneling in there and clean all this up. I'm curious as to who did this, but not right. All right, so just pulled out some manila folders and going to make a template for the new piece of wood I'm going to cut and put in there. Once I get the new piece of wood in there and all that, I'm going to clean all this up, get it ready for caulking and paint, get all this prepped and clean, and when it's all done, it'll look nice and white. Clean all this up, all of that mess, take all that off, fresh coat of paint, clean that old adhesive off. Oh boy, we're getting there. Okay, so I have the new triangle cut out. I put a backer board in there to kind of just hold everything together, and did some structural waterproof exterior adhesive to kind of join the two panels together. And that's where we're at. We're going to go ahead and put this all together and start buttoning things back up. Alright, so I got the new piece of wood in, started doing some caulking, getting all that tidied up, and doing that on both sides. Resealing, getting all that nice, and then we're going to get ready for a fresh coat of paint, maybe tomorrow evening or something like that. I think it's about 24 hours for this caulk to completely set up and dry, so let that work. And then in the meantime, still got to work on those teak panels or wherever I put them. Oh yeah, up there. I got another piece of teak to refinish that goes right there. But this wasn't too bad. I just kind of got frustrated with that soft spot that was right there, and I just went into it, and I was able to figure it out. Fortunately, had a bunch of tools and the jigsaw and Dremel with the bit that you can saw and do all kinds of shapes with. That was really useful. And then of course just impact driver for all the screws and hardware. So having the right tools after all this time really starts to help make projects go a lot faster and be a little less miserable. All right, well, thanks for watching part 1 right there. I will do another video when I finally clean everything up and have it all painted, and I will be complete with the outrigger install and the rotted wood repair. And hopefully this week I can get some time to tape everything off and put the coat of paint on there, and then later get the teak all finished and put a nice coat of oil on it so it'll look nice and new. But yep, that was another project that I just decided to do because it made me mad enough, and I was like, I need to fix this. So there you go, just got it done and got that checked off the list. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and if you like the content, please subscribe and throw some comments down there and hit that like button. All right.